popcorn machine.
So
Popcorn maker
another unboxing of the year.
of the year.
Always order ni siya sa online, guys. Muna iyahang ganahan jud sa tanang kuan.
Hola.
Oh la la! So, ano siya? Ganyan. Unboxing! What is that? Wow! Look at that!
Great for movie time or party snack.
Wow! So we are going to try this time. Okay, mag-movie me
Party
later.
time. We're gonna have party time.
Okay, open.
Okay, now
So what's in the box?
popcorn maker.
Popcorn maker. Yay!
The lid
Oh,
and
my
this
goodness.
scoop. This is how much popcorn you put in,
Okay.
and then put this right there like that.
Good. Okay, what else?
Okay.
And what's inside Mr. Wondering World? Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Ah!
Well, it was
Wow!
stuck to the cord.
Oh, it's quite big.
Like the styrofoam was hot when they made it.
So where are you going to bring that one?
Well,
So muna siya, guys, ihagi. One.
we're gonna test it
Yeah, later.
later.
Okay.
The cord's not very long on it. It's just a short cord.
So now, guys, we are ready to pop our kernel. So this time, this is the what you call this, baby?
Measuring cup.
That's the measuring cup.
Watch this, watch.
Do like that. Okay. And then
We have to have a bowl. Where's the bowl?
there. So
Wait a minute.
So 3 minutes. It's popping already. Look at that. See? Can you see, guys? There you go. Starting now. Woo! Okay. It's coming out now. Yeah, look at the guys. There you go. There you go. Amazing. Look at that. So amazing. Yay. Look at that. Woo. Powerball is small.
Got the right size bowl.
Okay, that's it.
There you go.
Where's the off? Woo. So this is the on and off.
Yeah.
So look at that, so perfect. So now we are going to add
It is.
our we're going to add our
Oh, I'll put the stop on it.
me, I'm going to add mine. So guys, since Mr. Wondering World doesn't want flavor, me, I want cheese right now. So I just put in a plastic bag, then I will just going to shake, and then that's it.